Okay, good afternoon, Alex here. So this video is to share some accounting software information because I received an inquiry. This is a new user, new QnE user for using in accounting software. So she's asking where to generate the reports. The most used reports, for example, general ledger, customer ledger, and also supplier ledger. So these are the most used report. For Sendian Berhad, we normally need to generate all these reports together with all our financial statements, P&L, balance sheet to our auditors. So this is how we can generate it. So all reports are inside this ribbon, reports ribbon. So you can select from here, just browse through the categories and then select the report directly. So when you browse through here, do not click anything. So just move your cursor to see what reports are available. So for example, now we want to go for general ledger. It's inside GL reports. Then you just move your cursor here. So in reports, this is the general ledgers. So in my sample database, I have some old transactions, which is from 2010 and 2011. So let's assume I want to generate January to December 2011 transactions. So I got two options to choose the GL codes that I want to see. One option is I can choose from here, bottom here. I can just tick which GL that I wanted. So for example, now I want all the sales account for this period. So once I tick, I'll go to the top here and click on inquiry. So these are the transactions from 1st January to 31st December 2011. So you can view from here if you needed to, because normally for auditors we would like to send this file to them. So we need to export this file into PDF or Excel format. So here in the preview, there are few report types that you can choose. So let's say I just choose the most common one, standard report one. So you'll come to this preview. So inside this preview, you can print out or you can export to PDF or Excel format. So for everyone's benefit, easiest way is to export to Excel format, where we can use the search function or we can do some simple calculation. Of course, some worry about the data being edited and then shared with somebody else, so they might want to just convert into PDF format. It is up to you. So this is how it looks like in the PDF format. If you wanted to in PDF format, so this is how it looks like in the standard report number 1. Okay, so this is a general ledger using the tick mark here. So another method that you can choose is using the account from and to here. So you can search. If you know a specific name, you can just type. Let's say I want to know this GL code called general expenses. So I'll just type here general expenses. Then I click on inquiry again. So this is how I can just look at one GL account by using search function. Or you can also just browse through here and then tick whichever account you wanted to have a look. Okay, I think more user friendly is just can type search here. So this is a general ledger. So let's go to another one. So once you are opening other transaction, for you to open other reports, you need to go to view tab. Okay, just go to view tab, reports. So now I want to look at customer's ledger. So point to customer, report, customer ledger. So again, I want to choose the same period. Then here I can choose which customer I wanted to see. If I want all, I will choose from the first one until the last one, or you can just ignore, so it will show everything. So let's say I want to choose the first few items. Okay, I just want the first few. Here also have additional filter. You can choose which salesman in charge of the which salesman, or you can choose area, category, etc. that you have set up in your customer master data. So once you have made your selection, click on inquiry. So this will be the related customers general ledger. So again, you can do the same, preview and export to PDF or other format, or directly email to respective party. So this is customer ledger. So in customer ledger, we got more filter options that we can filter. We can also filter by currency. If your customer, we have ringgit, you have USD, you have Singapore dollar, you can filter by currency as well. So this is customer ledger. So the last one I would like to share is supplier ledger. So just go to the view tab, report, supplier reports. Do not click. So when you are here, do not click. If you accidentally click, because we used to it, so if you accidentally click, it will come to this area that it show you all the reports. You can just type here supplier ledger to search for the report that you wanted. So from here, let's see. Okay, here. So this is the reports I want. Double click. So you go into supplier ledger. So you can see the selection screen for supplier ledger and customer ledger is very similar. Okay, it's very similar. So once you set the date, and you can choose your supplier. So for this one, I don't want to choose, I want to call out everything. So this will be everything, all the supplier ledgers reports. Okay, hope you will get some benefit from this video. Thanks.